5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
And I think your skin is so very dry.
Why do you say so?
Because I touched your skin and my nail accidentally scratched to it. And I saw that a long white line in your skin.
You're right, Han. Maybe you should
use a lotion.
I was using a lotion.
But why is your skin is so very dry?
I don't know.
Maybe you find first solution to that.
Okay. Umarong-urong ka din na. Hi, Mom. Hello.
Oh, where is that?
Mom, Ben got turned off to me.
But why?
He said that my skin is so very dry.
Don't worry, my dear. We'll be fine.
Thanks, Mom.
I feel your soft caress upon my skin, like a touch from a rose. And it thrills me, now I feel irresistibly soft, like a touch from a rose.
What are you looking at?
Wait, you're so beautiful.
Thanks.
Jane,
Bien.
you're so beautiful and glowing.
Thanks.
Is that you?
Of course.
May I ask you to go out?
Sure.